Nuts. All right, people, we got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way. So, all right, that's what the box looks like. So enough with the box. We're about to get down to business. So ladies and gents, boys and girls, this is what we have here today, and this is what we are about to unbox. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? That's what we're here for. Blue Lola is call it a late unboxing part of the series. Okay, but we're about to find out what this is about. I had a chance to utilize it before, but this time we're gonna officially open this one on this channel. Other than that, if it's your first time out here, make sure to subscribe to the channel, share the video if it's any useful to you, and equally turn on your notifications so you won't be missing out, and thumbs up the video all the way through. Note that we love you all here and we love your support. So without further ado, let's get down to business. I'm gonna take you through the mini specification, and I'll leave the rest on screen on our IA. We're already out for you also if you're interested. Other than that, let's get down to business, people. Let's do it. Let's do it. So let's check the specs out. That's the mini spec I was talking about. All right, Blue Lola multi-jointed headband designed for superior fit. Right there. This is expandable, by the way. Pivoting arms adapted to any head shape and size. All right, this opens up. Ear cup shaped like ears, pretty much like those constructions headphones. They look pretty much like it. You definitely dig that. 50mm fiber reinforced ultra responsive dynamic drives. I think that should be inside. And last but not least, sealed over ear design for immersive isolation. Should get some good sound out of that. Okay, so without further ado, guys, as I already said, let's get down to business. Let's do it, people. Let's do it. Let's check what's inside the box. Trusty Caesars. It's on now. Let's see what's inside the box. So I hope you guys are ready for this. Let's lift that up. Whoa. Here it is. Okay, this is part of the box. That's what the inside of the box looks like, in case you're gonna get it, so you know exactly what to expect if somebody's trying to sell you a fake one. Okay. Man, oh man, these look beautiful. They look beautiful. You know, it looks beautiful. Look at that. Expandable. All right. Beautiful. Let me bring it up a little bit so you can see. Wow, beautiful. All white, by the way. All right. I think a little bit metallic. Feels like it's made of metal, but I think this is more of a plastic. But the build quality is good. The build quality is totally good. The cushion, I'm sure you'll be interested to know what they feel like. The feels also alright, you know. Okay. That feels good. Look inside. Okay. Alright. And these cushions here on the headband, they're pretty dope as well, you know. This feels good as well. Alright. If you guys are interested, I'll do a full extensive review on it about these. They looks fantastic, seriously. All right, let's see what's inside the rest of the box. I hope we got some more stuff in there. There we go. Put that to the side, and here we have it. Put a little pouch. Okay. Put a little brown in here. Blue headphone, but they call them microphone for some reason. You got your cables. The adapter jack. That's for the heavy duty machines. All right. So that's what's inside the box. Then you got your usual guide. Okay. And you know, that's the guide. I think that's the guide. All right. On this, what's this? Little advertisement for more products. Okay. Whoa. Let me pause for a sec. So in total, that's what's inside the box. Beautiful stuff, by the way, out of the box. So what's inside the box? That's what's inside the box. Okay. Pretty simple. Your headset. You know, your headsets and the cables. I can see an adapter there. Booklets, guides, and so on. All right, now let's check the cables out. They're pretty flat. That's something that's good. And down there, your adapter, the bigger sound systems. All right, and another one here, which this is more. It's gonna be more for your gamings and things like that. All right, it doesn't have a mic on it, so I don't know if it's gonna be good for your gaming, but you know, that's a proper long one. This has a remote control. This cable has a remote control, plus, minus, play and pause. You know, so this can be of how do we call it, forward, and so on and so forth. You can control your sound tracks from here. Okay, and your mic. There's a mic here. This is pretty beautiful. Okay, your 3.5mm jack. All right, beautiful. So I know right about now you're gonna be like, hey, how about the sound? As I said, sound wise, guys, this thing do deliver a beautiful quality sound. Okay, if I play it now and pick it up with that's where the jack will go. Just a sec. Jack goes here. So as I was saying, in terms of sound, for the price which this is going right about now, okay, when this came out first, it was pretty expensive. Now the price went down. Okay, depending where you are in the world. If you're in the UK, you can get around at 100. All right, max. Okay, it used to be 200 upward. All right. With this, you are utterly going to immerse yourself, okay, in some good sound quality. You're gonna get great sound. Okay. Try them. Compare them with our headsets out there, the Beats or Boots. All up to you. I like the design, by the way. You know, I'm gonna take a couple shots of the design towards the end of the video, so you can appreciate that. Cushion, steady build, pretty robust build, and nothing to complain about. You know, the cushion test will be something to watch out for to see how long this can last. That's all you got to think of. Other than that, sound quality, this thing is dope. I'm telling you right now, it's dope. Okay, pretty dope. Pretty dope. All right. Other than that, ladies and gents, boys and girls, I'm gonna be leaving you on this one. Watch the ending video. Couple of shots of these beautiful headsets. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? That's what's inside. That's what's inside the box. The pouch, by the way, let me touch on that. The pouch is pretty good. Let me push the headset inside so we can see what it is about. I'm gonna try to put this thing in there. Let's see. This is kind of awkward. Let's see that. I think you have to put it upside down, probably upside down. Let's see that. Upside down. Can you go upside down? Will you? Okay. The pouch is, you know, sorry about that. My hands are all over the place. The pouch is nice, you know. A good quality pouch. I don't know exactly if this is how you put it in, but there you go, you know. They have to be in anyway, they have to go in somehow. The pouch, beautiful. Feels good in the hand. This little handle. Okay, if you want to hook that to your belt or whatever it is. Okay, this is pretty dope. Little suede feels to it. Other than that, ladies and gents, boys and girls, this was the unboxing of the blue Lola headphone. Okay, they call it microphone also. All right. So thank you for watching. And if this video was any useful to you, please make sure to share the video. Sub to the channel. If it's your first time out here, talk among yourself, tell your friend and your mates about what we do out here. Like the video, destroy the like button. We love you all here and we love your support. Keep it late out there, keep it safe. I we shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do it, do it. Bang, 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 bang. This is a total thumbs up. It's a go. It's a go, 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 go. All right? Go get it, man, if you're interested. I'll leave all the links right down below. Peace out. Listen to good music, okay?